Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by validating credentials and connectivity. Check your Steam Web API key in the developer portal. If it's missing or revoked, request a new key and replace it. At the same time, make sure your machine allows outbound traffic on ports 80 and 443 and that DNS resolves API. Steam-powered. COM. Once done, sync system time with NTP so signature checks succeed. And retry, a simple GET request to confirm you receive a 200 response. Now you dig into the request flow to find subtle errors. Capture headers and bodies for both outgoing requests and incoming responses so you can spot missing parameters or malformed JSON. Make sure query parameters are correctly URL encoded and that numeric ID use the expected type. Mismatched types cause silent failures. If you use OAuth, session tokens, or signed requests, verify token freshness and signature generation. If rate limits appear, back off and record retry after header. Finish by applying code or config fixes and running tests against a staging environment before touching production. Once deployed, run focused integration tests that exercise the fixed endpoints, monitor logs and metrics to confirm success. Implement exponential retry for transient failures and alert on persistent error spikes. If problems persist, check Steam service status for outages and consider rotating the API key as a last resort. If you rotate, update all services that rely on that key to avoid new authentication failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.